Guys, hello from Ukraine, from Kyiv. Today is 1st of June 2025, and today was very eventful day. And it began for us in the night when Russia attacked us with a record number of drone kamikaze. 472 drones were launched to Ukraine. But early in the morning, very nice, super news came from Russia. Ukraine attacked strategic bombers all over the territory of Russia. Or to be more precise, 5 airfields were attacked. And as a result of this attack, 40 strategic bombers, I'm just repeating, 40 bombers were destroyed or severely damaged. It was very great loss to Russian strategic military forces, and as a result, will receive much less strikes from Russia. And day is not finished, so please follow developments. Maybe we will learn more interesting things. Thanks for watching, and keep your fingers crossed for Ukraine.